Only on www.royal-mechanical.com. Free internship for mechanical engineers. Learn Catia V5 for free. Learn for free how mechanical engineers can get jobs. Learn for free mechanical engineering interview questions and answers, and simple spoken English for mechanical engineers to succeed in job interviews.
Rendering styles in Catia V5. The objective of this e-learning module is to learn rendering styles in Catia V5. The rendering styles are shading, shading with edges without smooth edges, shading with edges and hidden edges, shading with material, and wireframe. Before we get started, download the solid model to practice render styles. Open the vblock.stp file. Click on View, Render Style, and observe many options are available for the rendering styles. Shading, shading with edges without smooth edges, shading with edges and hidden edges, shading with material, and wireframe. Let me demonstrate each render style. Click on Shading. Observe the V block is only shaded. Click on View, Render Style, Shading with Edges. Observe the V block is now shaded, and edges are also visible. Click on View, Render Style, Shading with edges without smooth edges. Observe the V block is now shaded, edges are also visible, but the smooth edges are not visible. Click on View, Render Style, Shading with Edges, and Hidden Edges. Observe the V block is now shaded, edges are visible, hidden edges are also visible as dashed lines. The next option is Shading with Material. Before applying this rendering style, we need to apply a material to the V block. Click on Apply Material, select Aluminum. Observe there are a variety of materials available. You can apply the material as per the design requirement. Observe aluminum is added in the specification tree. Click on View, Render Style, Shading with Material. Observe the V block is now shaded, with the material color. Click on View, Render Style, Wireframe. Observe the V block is now appearing in the wireframe. The render styles can also be applied using the shortcut icons available on the toolbar. Practice the render styles using the shortcut icons available on the toolbar.